What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I shall be unboxing the brand new 2023 14-inch M2 Pro MacBook Pro. I will soon be uploading a number of videos testing this machine along with showing you what it's like to play games on it, which will then be followed up by my full and in-depth review of this MacBook. So if you are new around here and you'd like to be one of the first 5,000 people to do so, then please hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this machine. So it starts off here in the UK at a price of £2,149, whereas if you're in the United States, it'll set you back around $2,000. And if you wanted to have a powerhouse of a laptop, you could customize this MacBook Pro and it could set you back over £6,500. It's worth noting that with this entry model, you get a 10-core CPU, a 16-core GPU, along with 16GB of unified memory and a 512GB SSD. Unlike the MacBook Air models, these MacBook Pros are only available in a choice of two colors, space gray and silver. Unlike the 13-inch MacBook Pro, this 14-inch MacBook Pro does not have any plastic shrink wrap around the outside of the box. Instead, there is a pull tab on the top and on the bottom of the box, and pulling these and lifting the lid reveals the MacBook Pro sat aside, and placing this to a side, we get our first look at what comes included with this MacBook Pro. The first thing we see is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now, taking this out and taking a look at its contents, we can see that first and foremost there is a quick start guide which gives us a general overview on the menus and ports of this machine. We then get our health and safety notices along with further information on our 1-year Apple limited warranty, which also comes with some health and safety notices. And we also get something that we don't see much of these days, and it's 2 black Apple stickers. Black Apple stickers normally come with their higher end professional devices, which yes, this device clearly is, but you normally would see them on, the Mac Pros, which set you back over $5,000. So it's nice to see these kind of stickers coming with a machine that costs this much. So the first thing that comes included makes up your 67-watt USB-C power adapter. Now this power adapter comes in 2 different parts, meaning if you are traveling, you could swap out the plug portion of the adapter to be able to connect it to any native socket in other countries. It also means that you're still able to use a power extension cable and increase the reach of this charger by an additional 2 meters. It's also worth noting that the 67-watt USB-C power adapter will be able to fast charge this Mac to 50% in 30 minutes, providing you are charging using MagSafe. The next item to come included with this MacBook Pro is your USB-C to MagSafe 3 charger cable. Now it's worth noting that this cable has an approximate length of 2 meters, it's also braided and comes color matched to the same color of the Mac that you purchase. So as you see, because I have the space grey MacBook Pro, I've also been given a space grey MagSafe cable. The cable comes presented in the box quite nice. I do find taking it out of these boxes to be quite a tedious job. And lastly, we of course have the MacBook Pro itself. So what do you want to see tested on this MacBook Pro? Of course, there is a number of tests that I am looking to throw at this machine, along with how it performs when a number of games is thrown its way. I will be uploading my full and in-depth review over the coming week, So make sure you're subscribed, as you certainly do not want to be missing out on that video. If you've got any comments or any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in the video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.